Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're doing contrast for Junk Journal July 2025. So for this one I have picked out this little collection of journaling ephemera or materials or whatever you want to call it. I got this a while ago because you know that style of journaling people do where the pages kind of look like a magazine. Everything is all clean, straight edges. There's no inked edges with the tin holes. There's none of that. There's no fading. There's no aging. It's just all clean, neat, straight lines, bold text and high contrast images, mostly photographs actually as well. It kind of looks like a magazine or maybe an Instagram feed or a Pinterest board or something like that. And I think they look lovely, but it's really not my kind of style. But I got this kit that I was like, okay, I'm going to try it, I'm going to do it. And I've never actually done it. So we're going to try it today because it's a pretty big contrast to what I normally do. And then the actual images and stuff are quite high contrast. So let's have a look at what's in this little kit. Very nice little kit. So we have this little, I think this is about the kit. And then these lovely pages of stickers with coffee cups. I think they're lovely. They are very much like Instagram photos or Pinterest photos. Like this, very much like a magazine or a newspaper. And then these lovely stickers. So I have no idea how I'm going to put this together because it's just so outside of what I normally do. There's a bit of text, like a caption. And these, like a Polaroid. So let's like I love them. I think they're so nice. So I was thinking of maybe putting down one of these, but then they take up just the whole thing. But a clean white background is normally what you would have for this kind of journal spread. I have this washi. I think I'll actually put this down and work from, like, just do a cluster in the center. It's kind of what you see, or what I've seen with these kinds of spreads. This washi is just all quotes from John Keats. So just get this kind of centralized. And another one here. It's just morning time and the sun is rising just to my left. So there might be like, the light might look a little bit funny. Let's see, what will we do? I quite like that photo. When you hold an umbrella alone, it seems that people are born with some dissatisfaction with everything and always. Okay, it's very Instagrammy. Really, this doesn't come naturally to me, doing one this way. Okay, the quotes are nonsense on these. Some of them are spelled wrong. Maybe actually if I put one of the stickers on that white. Okay. My gosh, I can't believe I got that as even as I did. Okay. Hey, there we go for contrast. So very different to what I would normally do, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's yeah, it's very different to the page next to it. So high contrast there, nice high contrast between the black and the white, and a very big contrast to what I normally do. So that was fun. I enjoyed doing that, and I'm really glad that I got to use some elements from this kit. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.